Hey, good morning, guys. Frank the Pest Geek here. And man, I just want to give a shout out to a bunch of people that were at the Paul Bello conference, seminar, workshop, sweat camp. It was a great event. Man, I got to meet so many people that I've known from the industry that we've met online, but we got to meet in person. And I want to give a special shout out to everyone that I interacted with, which was really hard for me to memorize everyone's names and look you up, and because I don't remember names. So I had some of you, I had to look you up and that you were there, and I want to thank you. I want to thank Seth Garber of Pest Daily for the hat, for really, sharing it with everybody and the knowledge and the business. And I've got a little podcast that we did together there. So thanks, Seth, for that, for Pest Daily. If you want business, practical business knowledge that's affordable, Pest Daily has really good stuff. So go ahead and check them out. And I really thank him for the hat and for the time. I also want Pete Angel LaQuaglia, a special. He did this for me. Look at this, guys. Oh, I'm upside down. He did this for me. He drew it while he was there. He was doing all the video stuff for guy's talented, man, multi-talented actor, comedian, digital guy, SEO. By the way, don't call him for SEO advice unless you're ready to drop $3 to $4 grand. I'm just letting you know it's not going to happen for $500-600 a month. But guy ran a pest control business. He understands the industry. Super swell guy. We got to hang out. Got a little bit of a podcast with him too, hanging out there. Bill Richter for wanting to do YouTube videos and asking me for stuff about YouTube. Guys, I'm an open book. Anything you ask me, I'm going to just basically vomit out information. I can't help myself. Joe Goodell of Dave's Pest Control here in Florida, who was our facilitator and our leader at the table when we were in the group. He runs Dave's Pest Control, him and his wife. She was so kind to do, he volunteered her for all of the typing up of everything. So a shout out to her. Sky Lejeune. Lejeune, I hope I pronounced that. You're in Louisiana, running a heck of a business over there. Thank you so much for the encouragement, the kind words. And also, I got to sit down with Christian and talk to him a little bit and listen to him. So big shout out to Christian, your son, for being there. I thought he was like 15 years old. This kid is like 21. He looks so young. So cool to hang out with him. Danielle Nieves was there. What a hoot she was. And her husband didn't make it, but she was there. And shout out to her. Maria Sorrentino and her husband was there. And man, was the guy funny, bro. Great guy to hang out with. She's so knowledgeable about running a pest control business. Mostly women in her company. I think she's got about 6 technicians, and they're mostly women. I want to have you on the podcast and discuss. Also, Danielle Nieves runs, I think she's 3rd generation pest control. Aaron Veal, my buddy's going to be on the podcast, I think next week or the following week. So this podcast will be out probably in a couple of weeks after this one. And then Hashel Zuckerman and his wife, Jerika. Those two are a hoot from New York. They actually live in Ohio now. And those two guys are funny. She's a whip, man. He married up, definitely married up on that one. She did for another group. She did an entire PowerPoint presentation for them, designed it. This is a workshop that we were at, guys. This was how the whole issue of this workshop, to give you a little bit of background, was we were pretending we were a consulting agency, and a client came to us with a specific problem, and we had to solve it, and we had to work as a group to come up with the answer. And man, the collective knowledge of the group that we were surrounded in, God, it's the same. You see the amount of talent in that room. It's just unreal, the amount of talent in that room. And at the table, Marty Jones played the Pink Panther with the theme song. We had to come up with a theme song for our group, and Marty does these Facebook videos. I sat him and down with his wife, and we talked at breakfast. I was there, and then we talked after lunch, and we were probably talking for a couple of hours. Runs a very successful pest control in Georgia, and what a funny character. You know, the thing about this couple is they both went to COVID. His wife was not supposed to make it, and she did by the grace of God. They were there at that event. They had COVID in July, and both of them were just, you know, it was not supposed to happen. So thank God for that. Jose Solano of Bug Boys in New Jersey, my man. We've met already before, and we talk a lot. And man, we went out to dinner and we hung out, and it was a blast. Dennis Kucha and his brother Robert. I got to remember all these names. Robert, I hung out with when we went to PMU. We went out to dinner, and now Dennis and I have been chatting back and forth for a while. Man, is that guy funny. Dennis is just an enormous amount of talent for music, for creating videos. I mean, if I were him, I'd be doing 100 videos in the next 90 days, putting them out on YouTube. Incredibly knowledgeable about pest control. The scary part about this is that he had 11 years of pest control training. I didn't have any. And we pretty much see eye to eye. I mean, if we merged our companies right now, our customers, our employees would not be able to tell the difference in the quality of service, because we're basically doing the same darn thing. He's doing it under Wise House Environmental. I'm doing it under Nature Pest. Scary when we sit down and compare notes. He was there. We were having the last day. We were sitting down after lunch. This is around 5 o'clock, and he's working on his employee manual because he's growing his company. He works with his brother and another technician. Again, Pete Angel, La Quaglia. Thank you for this. This was amazing. Gustavo Hernandez and his wife was also with us. We went out to dinner with him and Jose, you know, the three spicks that walked into a Paul Bello conference. And we got to talk, man. We don't get to know each other really on Facebook. You know, you don't really get to see people's personality. It was wonderful. They went with his wife, and they were there on vacation too. Paul Alley Sr. and his wife. Paul Alley actually gave me an interview. I actually suckered him into an interview. I had the cameras rolling, and he sat down and said, "What are you guys doing?" And I said, "Here, have a seat." And he sits down. I said, "Hey, you're now on the Pest podcast. You know, tell everybody about your business." And he basically, you know, talked for an hour, I think, about his company that he runs. Just an incredible business. So thank you, Paul, and also a brother in the faith. Let's see here. Paul Bello and his wife. I want to thank his wife for pulling up with Paul Bello. She is an angel, sweetheart. Just wonderful to be around. And Paul Bello, well, he's Paul Bello. So you gotta, you know, he's an acquired taste. I don't know how. I mean, she completes that man. I'm telling you. It was very interesting to see Paul Bello in action. I've never seen him before. I only see him in groups. It's one thing to see him in groups, posting text. Here's another thing to see him in person. It's a treat. The great Dane Gilson, who also passed his ACE exam, he was on my podcast. Bro, I am so sorry. I really got to apologize. You stood in front of me, and I'm like, I know this guy. Man, I know this guy. Where do I know this guy? I'm racking my brain. I know this guy. I know this guy. Where is this? Where's this guy from? I know this guy. And he's just looking at me, bro. And I listened to your podcast, and he's talking to me, and I'm like, it didn't hit me until after I was in the hotel. Oh my God, that's, you know, Great Dane. But when you're on camera and you're in groups, it's totally different when you're in person. So I am sorry, dude, that I didn't really realize who you were. I just felt terrible about that later. And Doug Foster, man, what an incredible man. You know, this is the kind of guy that could probably teach anyone anything, and he's so gentle and so funny and kind-hearted. What an incredible soul of a man to know as a brother. Thank you. You have no idea how your silence and just the way you carry yourself spoke volumes because you were doing pest control while I was still in diapers, I think in 1975. And he's got a very youthful spirit, and he was there with his wife. I didn't get to meet her around the table, but I got to meet her afterwards. Thank you for all your kind words, for always your support, for everything that you've always encouraged me in groups and in your comments. Just an incredible, encouraging person to be around. And then I want to thank lastly Austin Frischman. What a treat to always hear you. The reason I do what I do today is because I heard you once, and the words that you spoke resonated with something I had no clue, and what I'm doing today is because of that seed you planted 14 years ago. If you've never listened to his centennial speech from Purdue University, of the centennial speech, not his centennial speech, he's not 100 yet, although he's probably close, you need to listen to that 100th anniversary speech that he gave for Purdue University. It is available on YouTube. Very, very encouraging, very motivating. So I just wanted to take this time to thank everyone. Thank you, Seth. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, everybody on this list. Thank you, Paul Bello. The next one is in October in Clearwater, Florida. Going back to Clearwater, they did it before. I plan to be there. I've made a commitment to study for my ACE. I bought the book. He's going to give out a tutorial on how to study for the ACE. I will be ready to take my ACE. I'm going to need a letter from one of you guys out in the field. A letter of, because you need a letter of, I guess, of approval or somebody to send you a letter that says, yeah, I nominate him to take the ACE. He's, wonderful. He does the Pest Geek podcast. He's just an incredible person. Guys, fluff it up a bit for me there, okay? Because I need that letter. If you want to send it to me, I'd greatly appreciate it because I want to take my ACE. And I encourage everyone in this industry who wants to be the top 1%, be at the Paul J. Bello conference, go to PMU, take the ACE, be the best that you can be. Thank you so much. I look forward to an exciting new year in podcasting and stuff that we got coming. The Academy is coming. I know I've been promising that forever. It's coming slowly, but I recorded some more classes over this week. I want to launch it. I was supposed to launch it a year ago. I was supposed to be, my next deadline was February. We're in March. It's going to happen. Thank you so much for all the encouragement. Thank you all these people for being there. Everybody else that was there that I didn't get to talk to, thank you so much. I know that, you've said hi to me, and so these are the people that I interacted with, and I tried to remember everyone's name. Thank you so much. Have a pestacular day. Look at this.